Hello guys, welcome back to Ankita's kitchen. Today we are going to make butter garlic noodles, a very easy recipe. So let's quickly get it started. Here I have some water boiling up. To that we are going to add some generous amount of salt. To that I'm going to add my noodles. You can use any noodles of your choice, and you need to cook the noodles according to the instruction that is given on the packet. For me, I'm going to cook my noodles for about 12 minutes. Once your noodle is cooked completely, you need to drain the excess water and run it under cold water, and you need to drizzle some oil so that the noodles do not stick, and keep it aside. Once you're done with that, in a pan we are going to add some oil, a cube of butter. You can add more if you like. Once your butter is melted completely, we are going to add some garlic. I've used 3 tablespoons. You can reduce or increase the amount. To that we'll add some chili flakes, some chopped chilies, chopped onions, some chopped green bell pepper. Mix everything together and cook it for about a minute. After that we'll add some salt, some vinegar, some soy sauce. Make sure you do not add a lot of salt, because vinegar and soy sauce has a lot of salt in it, so be careful with the salt. Finally we are going to add the noodles, and it gets very difficult in here because it takes a lot of time, and you really need to work hard when you're tossing around the noodles. And I'm going to add some chilies. You can totally skip the chilies if you like. And my noodles are ready. This was my dinner today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.